Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to post original content on TikTok Creator Reward Program. So the first thing you have to do, let's say you want to get a video from your Facebook or a Reels from your Facebook. So right on my Facebook, I just have to go to my profile in order to search for a reel that I'm going to be uploading on my TikTok. So I just have to scroll down, look for a particular one. Next thing you have to do here is to click at the three lines I found at the top right corner, copy the link of that video. Okay, I've copied it. Then the next thing you have to do is to head straight to any browser of your choice. You just have to type in fdown.net and click on the search option. So right here on the website of fdown.net, I just have to paste the link I copied here and click on the download option in order to download this particular video to my device. So you're going to see two options: download video in normal quality. I just have to click on download video to normal quality. So if you want to download the video in HD quality, it is also an option there. You just have to click on it in order to download it in HD quality to your device. So yes, I have successfully downloaded this video. The next thing you have to do is to head straight to your device. So right here on my device, you can see that the first video there, I just downloaded it. If I want to upload this video to my TikTok and I want to add anything, I can just make use of my CapCut or any app, that's editing app, to add any sticker or any sort of anything I want to add on it. But since I don't want to, it's already original because it's on my gallery. All I have to do is to head straight to my TikTok app. So on my TikTok app, I just have to click on the plus icon and then select the particular video, which is this first one here, and click on the next option. Click on the next option. Can add my description and add a link and click on the post here in order to post this video. It's going to be original because you're not sharing it from your Facebook to your TikTok. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to post original content on your TikTok Creator Reward Program. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.